Here are some tips for cleaning the charging port or the USB-C port with household items in the case of Google Pixel 9a. So the first thing that you can do before you actually start cleaning the port is to turn off the phone completely. Make sure that it is completely off. Now, the next thing that you should remember is that you should avoid metal objects, because metal objects can cause some damage to the port. You might damage some pins that we have inside the port, so of course you want to avoid that. You can use toothpick, you can use like a skewer, like wooden or bamboo skewer. Any soft toothbrush should do the work as well. You can use a compressed air, which is of course optional, if you have it at home. And in addition to that, you can use Q-tips as well, or cotton swabs. They can be dry, or you can very lightly dampen with isopropyl alcohol. And you can of course use any flashlight that you have in order to take a look inside to see inside the port to check for lint, dust, or debris. You can gently insert the toothpick into the port in order to scrape out any visible lint or dirt. However, you don't want to push too deep in order to avoid damaging the port, just the surface essentially. You can brush lightly using a soft dry toothbrush to loosen and remove more dirt. If you have compressed air, then you can give a few short bursts. You need to hold the can upright. And you can lightly dampen a Q-tip or cotton swab with the isopropyl alcohol. You can squeeze out excess, and you can gently clean inside the port, but you need to let it air dry before turning the phone back on. And you should definitely avoid using metal objects, as I mentioned, so such as paper clips, needles, or pins. Do not use them at all. You definitely should avoid using water. You don't want to blow into the port with your mouth because it adds moisture. And you don't want to force anything into the port. So remember to be always gently while removing anything from the port, and it should be easy to clean. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.